Game. Wala pa.
Pass to number 9. Wala. Rebound by Pablo. Pass to number 8. Atong. Atong pass to
Richard.
Richard.
Patay. 3 points. Richard Gomez yun.
Walang tug-tug-tug-tug. Yung ganun.
Ha?
Walang tug-tug-tug-tug.
Pass to number 26. Kumaharap ng papasahan.
Ikaw na mag-ano, beatbox na sa'yo.
Good still by Atong. Live for 2 by Atong. Still again. Oh.
Palang dami ng tao.
Announce mo na score.
7.
7-0 po in favor of Grand Bowlers. 9 minutes and 3 seconds.
Ayun.
Dribble the ball. Pass to number 18, 3 points. Wala. Too much muscle.
Oh, grabe oh. Yan.
Nice 2 by ano pinito?
Number 8.
Pusot. Number 6, ang ganda ng bola. Wala pa rin. Number 26, nice 2. 8 minutes and 24 seconds. Atong.
Ay, wala.
Jersey number 6. Gayap ng papasahan. 6-6, wala.
Oy, Rio, tumira ka na rin.
Dribble, mga buboy. Pass to Atong, balik ka Richard. Pass again to Atong. Wala pa rin. 35 seconds.
Hindi naman din ako kasali dito eh. Tagalista lang ako.
Number 9, bumasok. Balik ang bola. Still again by Buboy. Pass again by Atong. Wala pa rin. Number 6. Wala pa rin. Richard, rebound the ball. 7-4 in favor of Ground Bowlers. Outside. From Ground Bowlers.
Ha? Dito?
Atong inbound the ball.
Wala binabantayan eh.
Pass to Richard. Balik ko Atong. Calling Atong ang bola. Balik kay Richard. Tumira ng loss. Nice 2 by Papa Richard.
11-0 na yata.
4-9 in favor of Ground Bowlers. Number 6, in the dribble, naghanap ng papasahan. Pass to 8. 26 to Mira. Wala. Nakakuha ni Atong. Atong nagdadrive. Pass to. Hindi ko kilala. Nice.
Batang bata.
6 minutes and 16 seconds. 4-11. Lamang po ang Ground Bowlers. Umigot. Nice.
Pinaliwa. Wala pa rin.
Rebound by Rio. Pass to Buboy. Balik kay Papa Rio. Atong again. Too much muscle kay outside. 11-4 in favor of Ground Bowlers. Richard, may hawak ng bola. Pass to Buboy. Pass to Atong again. Wala.
Dalawang higanti.
Richard again. Boost power up number 91.
Pero sa crown yan eh. Wala. Pinaproban sa crown. Kasi hindi pwedeng iba-iba siya. Private kasi ito eh.
Number 6 ang dribble ng bola. Pass to number 6, number 8. Number 9 yung mga atake.
Doon ka o, tagalista.
Pass again number 91. Dahan ka pa sa ating drive. Malakas. Skill by Atong. Pass to Buboy. Nice.
Tinambakan no?
Buboy.
Grabe.
4 minutes and 57 seconds.
Kailangan ko ng sarili ko para
14-4 po.
Yung hindi lang malabo yun.
Number 6 nag-drive. Wala. Too much national life. 2 by number 9.
Pero pwede ka makapag lista.
14-6.
Kasi ako yung ano.
Doon, tagasulat ka doon yan para may pakinabang ka.
Pass to Rio. Ilalim. Rebound by number 8. Nagdala ng bola. Umiran. Kas. Rebound by Pablo. Atong. Atong nice for 2.
Tinamba ka na.
Time out, Midis. Pass to number 91. Number 26, Tumira. Nice
Pasok.
by 26. Gilid-gilid lang. Last 4 minutes. 50 seconds. 16-8 in favor of ground bowlers. Kuha ni Papa Rio. Rio ang dadalang bola. Pass to Papa Gary. Nabitawan. Still. Number 9, pass to. Wala pa rin. Number 26 again. Basic lang. 15 in favor of ground bowlers. Last 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Jeric Tumira.
Wow.
Bayan. Matake. Rio with the ball. Naharap. Atong. Matake. Not counted, John. Nice too by Atong. Simpleng pasa lang. 8 and 10. Number 8, tumatak eh. Oh, nice for 2. 12-18. Lamang po pa rin ang ground bowlers. Last 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Papa Jeff, tumatak at tumira. Nice too by Papa Jeff. 2012. Nice pass by number 9. Foul. Foul by jersey number 15. Oh, wala po. Malakas po. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha niya pa rin. Number 9, tira. Wala. Rio, hindi ka lang bola. Pass to Atong. Atong. Dumalarecho. Wala. Malakas. Number 29, pass to number 91. Pass again to number 8.
Malakas.
Number 6, Tumira. Basket. Last 2 minutes. 20-14 in favor of ground bowlers. Atong, nag-aaral pa saan? Jeff, umatake. Nice to kay Papa Jeff. Ang lalim. Number 9, dito yung bola. Pass to number 26, umatake. Number 8. Number 91, 43, wala po, malakas. Tayo ha? 22-14 in favor of ground bowlers. Pass to Jeff. Still by number 9. Oy, malakas. 20 seconds. Pass to Atong. Pass to Jeff again. Jeff. Nawala po. Pass kay Papa Jeric. Wala. Ribong pa rin. Nice.
Ayun, no? Marami na siguro yun.
Pang 2 KD yan. Last 1 minute and 2 seconds. Up, outside, line ball. Line ball.
Lumampas na guwet.
Lumatong, lingkiri mo na bola, 57 seconds. Pass to Atong again. Wala, malakas. Up, lumusot. Still by Papa Rio. Nice play. Back to Atong again. Jeric ball. Malakas pa rin. Sobra sa tulog. Pass to Lebron. Pass to Jeric again. Tumira. Oh, nice one by Papa Jeric. Last 35 seconds. Foul by number 27. Nakashoot ka pero pinang last shot by number 91. 31 seconds. Basket. 26-15 in favor of ground bowlers. 30 seconds. Atong, umarma. Tumira ng tres. Pasok yan by Atong. Last 20 seconds. 29-15 in favor of ground bowlers. Number 8 nag-drive. Nice 2. 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Kay Kuya Gani TV, panoorin niyo po sa kanyang vlog.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Baka naman. Siya
May libre kayong tinapa.
Ano kayo?